Yo, YouTube, we are here. It's beautiful. They're jumping everywhere. Hold on. Just watch the water. They're like jumping everywhere. And on some an excavator. I'll show you what they did. I'll show you this first. Okay. If you see any dam safety concerns, please contact Day Night 1-800-663-3456. Virtual emergency program. And you can read that. This video an excavator. Here's Don. He's just yeah. And this is Cedar Creek Dam. It's pretty much a lake, but it's pretty good. There's like fish everywhere. Let me get closer for you. Damn. Okay, look at this. Right there everywhere. There's Don up there again. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys when we get back to Cornell later. Actually, no, we're gonna be fishing later, so post a video later.